rainy day in Cedar Rapids, and I'm on my way to Hoover Elementary, where the Vote Yes group is doing a presentation. I've never been to one of these meetings, so I am documenting. And so I'm here, parking at the end of the lot because it's a full house, and I want to get maximum exposure to my vote no May 3rd. Here's the mayor. Hey.
They said we don't want to take risks. We can't afford to have our facility flood the second time. We rebuild once, we're probably not going to rebuild again. So they're not even waiting for the city and the federal government and the state government. They're starting their own segment right now. Do you know how big Quaker Oats is? $60 billion. They're owned by PepsiCo. They have pretty deep pockets. So any company in town could withstand another flood. It would probably be someone like PepsiCo. They said no. They're going to start, and they have started on their own flood. So when you look at the risk of flooding again, a lot of companies came back, and a lot of companies didn't. Souvenir Pen didn't come back, Swiss Valley Farms didn't come back. That would be some jobs are going to be gone forever. So when we look at it from the council standpoint, we spent all this money rebuilding, trying to get our neighborhoods back on their feet, and their businesses and the community assets. And we made the decision that the prudent thing to do would be to support a flood protection system. So that was the first question that we asked. Then the next question is, well, what do you protect? Do you just protect the Quaker Oats or at Cargill? Or do you protect all the homes? Do you protect the east side? Do you protect the west side? Or do you protect both sides? And I don't know, we thought you protect both sides of Cedar Rapids, both sides.
I live across the street from the river in the Greenway, and I'm being told that our house is not included in this plan, and neither are the houses up Ellis Boulevard. Now, Quaker's been here since the 1800s. They're the largest oat company in the world. How realistic is it to think that they're really just going to up and leave? So why can't they pay a little bit more to help us out? And I just want to be realistic here. I want to know what's left to protect. It'd be cheaper to raise all the houses down there that are still there and to build any kind of flood protection. And is this plan approved by the Army Corps of Engineers, or is this just the City Corps of Engineers?
So, she had like 4 questions.
There's 3.
The first question about Quaker, and they've been here so long, they'll never leave. They'll keep rebuilding and rebuilding and rebuilding. Well, obviously, they're worried about flooding, and that's why they're building. And they're spending millions of dollars.
That had to do with their insurance, and they get CDBG funding for that, too.
They're paying out of their pocket to build.
And ours.
Their segment. Is it a reality that a business may not come back again? Well, we know Swiss Valley didn't. We know Souvenir Pen did. And we know little companies like Lima's Meat Market did. Let me tell you a story. I hope I don't get in trouble with this, Justin. But Justin and I went over to Cargill Corn, right down along the river.
East side.
And we were visiting with them about getting their company back up and running and how's the business going. And they said they're in trouble. During the flood, right before the flood, they were the sole supplier to one of their customers. I'm not going to name that customer. But they gave 100% of their product, this company did 100% of their product to Cargill. And when the flood hit, and Cargill was shut down, this company scrambled to find a supplier. So they had to go find somebody else, and they did. Cargill finally comes back online. They go back to the company and say, hey, we're back up and running. We want to start selling you our stuff again. Guess what that company said? Well, we'll still buy from you, but we're not going to buy what we did. We're not going to put all of our eggs in one basket again with Cargill. So Cargill lost revenue, AJ, from just that one company.
I'm talking about Quaker.
And the same is true with Quaker.
Mm-hmm.
Quaker here, see Quaker facilities.
A lot of
So it isn't just Quaker here.
Well, I've seen them fight frivolous lawsuits,
And that's why,
you know,
what's
so,
left to protect?
yeah, what's left?
Our town. It's the heart of our county.
The heart of our town is gone, Ron.
You know what's left to protect is our property tax base.
Our property tax base is gone. Every time they take down a house, you got you're raising property taxes. You can't give away houses to nonprofits and expect our property taxes to go down.
Right after the flood, and even still, the city assessor did across the board reduction in all the downtown properties. I.E. Towers, Armstrong Building, 10%. Well, when the valuations go down 10%, guess what happens to the tax collector?
And why are they getting millions of dollars for payouts?
So as the property values shrink, and less money is collected, and if the cost of government stays the same, it just gets spread out to everybody else. So it's in everyone's benefit that we have stable or increasing property values, specifically on the business side. You own a $100,000 house, you only pay on 48% of that house. You own a $100,000 business, you pay on 100,000, all 100%. You take the levy and multiply it by 100,000. So it behooves us all to have a strong business environment and a strong business climate with stable property